Welcome to my channel. Delicious food. Omelette bread. Let's make delicious breakfast omelette bread. We take 2 eggs. Add salt and chopped green chili. Mixed well. Take a pan. Add butter, add pita bread. Little bit roast bread. Now we make omelette. Now put bread on omelette. Now put mayonnaise and ketchup on other bread. Turn the bread and cooked well. Put second bread on it. Cooked in low flame. Cut it into pieces. Put in plate and serve it well. Ready for eat. Delicious breakfast, omelette bread. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for watching.